Move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
I got an awesome new item for you today. This is a dog pool for dogs. This item comes in many different sizes. I got the large version because I got a large dog. It also comes with a splash sprinkler. Let's see what's all included. This pool is very durable and is also portable. That's what I like about it. It folds up and it fits in this nice bag. Let's go see this in action. This pool was very easy to set up. It didn't take me but a few minutes and it was up and running. I also like that it has a fast drain on the side of the pool. It is very easy to drain the pool when finished, and also it's got a drain on the bottom of the pool as well.
Move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.